Welcome to another video with Invest with the Doctor. My name is Dr. Hyder. I'm an accident emergency medicine doctor during the day, and during the night I'm an investor and a trader. In this video, this is the second part of my video talking about gold stocks. I'm going to be talking about some gold companies, gold mining companies and gold royalty companies. Basically, they move with the price of gold and sometimes can move faster than the price of gold itself. If you didn't get a chance, please watch my previous video where I mentioned 4 gold stocks and I mentioned the price targets for each of them. Today I'm going to be talking about Agnico Eagle Mines, Franco Nevada, Newmont, Triple Flag, and Anglo Gold Ashanti, giving you the price targets for each of them and my reasons for investing in them. So while I'm making these videos, I'm buying these stocks myself, and after doing research and thinking that they are stocks that should be in my portfolio, I'm showing you my homework so that you can get an idea of where the price is moving and if it makes sense for you to have it in your portfolio. So this is not going to be a very long video. It's going to be a quick one, and it will also show you my understanding on these stocks, why I think it makes sense to keep them. So when you buy these stocks, you can invest with 5 to 10%, ideally 5% of your portfolio in these stocks. So whatever your total amount is, 5% of that can go into these stocks, each of them. Some are better than others, but I'll leave you to be the judge of that. Okay, so let's talk about the first one, which is Agnico Eagle Mines. So this is the stock chart for Agnico Eagle Mines. The ticker for this stock is AEM, and currently is trading around 135 US dollars. This is the weekly chart itself. So these are Heiken Ashi candles. In my posts in Trading 212 or X post, Twitter, I only mention Heiken Ashi candles. I do not talk about normal candles. The reason being, it's quite easy to see the trend on the Heiken Ashi candles. If you want me to do a video talking about Heiken Ashi and normal candles, let me know in the description, in the comments box on the video, and I'll try to differentiate the reasons between the Heiken Ashi candles and the normal candles. But I normally use just Heiken Ashi candles because it makes it quite easy to see the price movement. Green is up, red is down. It's quite simple, and it's easy for people to see and quickly see, so you don't have to decipher anything. You can very quickly see what the price is doing. So having said that, this stock is Agnico Eagle Mines. Like I said, the ticker is AEM. The price is 135 US dollars, and my price target for this stock is 150 US dollars. As you can see, it's been in a very nice uptrend. The blue, which is the 21 week, is above the red, which is above the green. This is the kind of setup I like. When they're upsloping like this, it just means that the price is for weeks going up in a trend. So you can see where the trend is, and this is my favorite this is my favorite chart setup. When I see these things, I really like them, and it just shows me that the price is likely to move upwards. If they were sloping downwards, that would tell me, okay, the price is going down, but the fact that they are moving upwards like this is telling me, well, the price is most likely going up, isn't it? Like I said, looks like a good setup. You can see that the price is breaking out of this area itself, which a large Heiken Ashi candle. The RSI is above 50, sort of, and you can see it's been like this for quite a while. So this is a very bullish uptrend. The MACD has become green, which is again good. So this is my reason for keeping in this stock or staying in the stock. And if you don't have it, it would make sense to be in this stock. So this is Agnico Eagle Mines, AEM. The second one that I'm going to talk about today is Franco-Nevada. This is a gold royalty company. So it's not a mining company like Agnico Eagles. This is a royalty company itself. Um, you can search on the internet to see the difference between royalty companies and mining companies, but if you want me to do a video on them, I can do them. So this is the stock for Franco-Nevada. Currently the ticker for it is FNV. Okay, so you can um, sort of search for it. The price is 171 at the time of making this video. My price target for the stock is 192 US dollars. Again, the same. This is again the weekly chart. Normally, I try to talk about stocks in the weekly because that's the kind of investor I am. I try to hold the stock for weeks and sometimes months, but definitely not years and not just a few days. Most of the stocks I do trade sort of in and out sort of stocks, but there are few. Most of my portfolio is made up of stocks which I keep for days or weeks, and sometimes even months, if they are in a good uptrend. So again, blue over the red, which is the moving average, and it's above the green as well. So you can see the green here, the green, the red, the blue. Again, you can see it's breaking out. The RSI again above the 50 itself, which I like, upsloping, which is good, MACD positive. Okay, so this is Franco-Nevada, which is a gold royalty company. Let's go on to the third one here, which is Newmont. Newmont is the one of the biggest gold mining companies. So the ticket for it is NEM. Okay, and the price at the time of making this video is around 68 US dollars. My price target for this stock is 80 US dollars. Again, you can see the same kind of setup: blue above the red, which is above the green. You can see it quite clearly here. Nice big candles moving upwards, pushing upwards after basing out here. Again, above the RSI is above 50, and it's upsloping, which is good. MACD positive. Okay, so these are my technical reasons to be in this stock, which is Newmont Mining, one of the biggest miners, gold miners. The third one that I'm going to talk about today is Triple Flag Precious Metals. So this is Triple Flag Precious Metals, the stock. You can see it yourself. The ticker for it is TFPM. TFPM. At the time of making this video, the stock is 26 US dollars. My target for the stock is 30 US dollars. It can go a lot higher than this, but for all of the stocks that I've given you, the minimum value. So basically, when the price reaches the target, you can try and sell 2/3 of the stock itself and keep 1/3 if the stock keeps running. These are all good companies that have done some research on the companies themselves, but obviously you need to do your own research as well. As you can see, it's coming out of this nice base itself. The moving averages are all upsloping again, blue, red, and you can see again a nice big Heiken-Ashi candle here, and the price may pull back, but overall the trend, as you can see, is clearly going upwards. Again, the RSI is above 50, upsloping, and the MACD is going to become positive quite soon. So this is Triple Flag Precious Metals. So now I'm going to talk about the last one here, which is called Anglo Gold Ashanti. This is again another miner. This is the stock itself. The ticker for it is AU, and the price at the time of making this video is 57 US dollars. My price target for the stock is 65 US dollars. Again, the same thing, same pattern. So you can see it basing out of this area here. You can see a nice candle here, blue above the red, which is above the green. These, again, this is the weekly chart itself, which means the price, this is not happening just in a day or so. This is happening over weeks. The RSI, as you can see, is in overbought territory, and it can stay overbought for ages. MACD has become positive. Again, these are my reasons for the stock price to go up in the coming few weeks and months. So these are the stocks that I was going to talk about today. So you've heard Agnico Eagle, and I have given you my price target for it. Franco Nevada, Newmont, Triple Flag, and Anglo Gold Ashanti. Like I said, I've done quite a bit of research on these stocks, and these are quite reasonable stocks. You can try and keep these stocks up until November, December of this year quite easily. So if it reaches the price target, you can, like I said, sell 2/3 of your stock itself and keep 1/3 running, which you could sell around November, December time. But that's entirely up to you. If you've made good profits on them, by good profits I mean 15 to 20% profits on these gold stocks, you can definitely sell them and move on to something different. There are lots of stocks in the market. I will be updating you on other stocks as well. So if you've made a good profit, it would make sense to sell them and to move on to your next project or your next stock. So this was my second video, which was follow-up to my previous video about gold stocks, and I'm going to be making my third and final one video, which will either come out tomorrow or the day after, again mentioning some more gold stocks which I think make quite a bit of sense to be in your portfolio, my portfolio, and I think they're going to be stocks that are going to make good money in the coming few weeks and months. So I hope you liked the video. You can, if you want, write down these sort of price targets in a notepad somewhere so that you can have a look at it and look at the price, or you can come back to my video and you can come back to the stocks that I've mentioned and the price targets. You can so have a look at them and see where I thought these prices are going to go, so that you'll have a frame of reference. So it's easy to make investments where you know where the price is moving or where it's been. So like and subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.